Thank you, no drama.
Well, how often do you want me to do his pulse and blood pressure?
He'll be fine. Just leave him to sleep it off, eh?
Scissors, theatre.
Leader, clamp it.
I'm on it.
Clamp it.
Got it.
This bleed is popping up everywhere. We're gonna have to tie these off. I can't see a bloody thing.
And the blood pressure is rising. Pulse is dropping.
Was there a head injury? Not as far as anyone could tell.
Well, there's something awful going on inside her skull.
Good.
Yeah, she's blown both pupils. BP's still rising.
She's coning.
Burhole?
2 more minutes.
Mannitol.
Brace and bits.
Raj, I know you're really busy.
Yeah?
But it's the driver from the RTA. Mr. Smedley did his obs and they were normal. I checked them and they're different.
Look, Kirsty, no offence, but you're a student nurse and Scissors is a surgical registrar. I think you can manage your blood pressure and pulse, don't you?
Yeah, I know, but...
Raj, query MIM4, not looking good.
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Okay.
OK, I'll see this one and then I'll see your chap.
No sign of recovery.
We should maintain her on the ventilator and check for brain death.
Yes. Thank you all. This was no one's fault.
Would you speak to ITU on the transplant team?
Sure.
We'll go and ask her husband.
Let me take your coat, Mr. Lucas.
Mike, Mr. DeVries and Mr. Smedley are here to speak to you.
How is she? We did everything we could, Mr. Lucas. But I'm afraid her injuries were too severe.
She didn't suffer, did she?
No, she didn't suffer, sir.
I'm really sorry to interrupt.
Would you take a seat, please? There's something I have to ask you. I know it's difficult this time, but I'd like to ask you to consider giving consent for your wife's organs to be taken for transplant.
I know how hard this is, Mike. My own wife was killed 10 years ago by a drunk driver. I was asked to make this decision too. I said yes. And I've never regretted it.
Pulse 140, blood pressure 90/50.
I'll cross-match him.
Billy, thanks. What's happened?
I think this guy's ruptured a liver. Much longer and he'd be a dead man. Well done for spotting him. Oxygen, please. Mr. DeVries, I think there's a ruptured liver in here. Yes, Mr. DeVries. I'm sorry about your wife. I didn't know.
Bloody hell are you playing up, boy? This man should have been in surgery 2 hours ago.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Mr. DeVries.
I just want to know what could have been going through your mind. I mean, to try a thing like that. I was here. You could have talked to me. It's like Paul wanting you out. I mean, this would have been playing straight into his hands. You wouldn't have confided that to me either, would you? Well, I mean, if we can't even talk to one another, I don't know what kind of relationship we've got, really.
I can't work out why you were always giving me the cold shoulder.
Not before I found out. That's the police. What's all this about Mr. Fluffy?
Oh, I don't think that's going to be a problem tonight.
Lying in bed watching telly. You patients have it easy.
So, what are you doing tonight then, David?
Don't know. Thought we'd go out on the town.
In your dreams, think again.
Give in. You're going to the General.
Yeah. Yeah. They've got a kidney for you. Best get over there before it gets smelly.
Claire.
I know.
This is a photograph of my wife. And, these are all the patients that were helped after her death. You made the right decision.